What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over BTC. We are currently in a short trade, which is in profits. We're sitting at 51.1K. We're down 2.3 on the day. Seeing market cap of 1,004 billion, 25 volume, 34 billion. Let's hop into the charts. So we have a nice little short trade starting to come down. We had a nice double top. There's a little bit of lag. Just bear with me, guys. Right here, there's a nice double top, depending on where you want to draw the neckline. We broke it. We come back. We retest it. Should see continuation down. Our take profits right around 50.3, 50.2K. But I wouldn't be surprised to see a deeper drop towards 48.6K. We'll have to see how that plays out. If we bounce and push to the upside, anything can happen. It is what it is. But we have divergences that have crossed the 50 line that are coming down. So we should see the price continue to come down. That's a higher probability, in my opinion. This is the alternative scenario. If we were to come down and break 47.5K, then you could see a deeper pullback in between 37.8 and 44.7. Right now, I don't think it's the more probable scenario, but of course, anything can happen. And looking at the DXY, I'm still expecting breakout. We came back to retest this trend line. So I'm looking for continuation to the upside for the DXY, which should lead to a deeper pullback for the price of BTC. That's why I think it's a higher probability. Reject off that trend line, continuation down, hit our take profit. We're also shorting Gala right now, and yeah, come back down into this target zone, potentially 48.6. Of course, you can bounce off the minimum target before continuation back to the upside. My signals are $10 a month. Make sure to sign up through the Patreon link. I trade on BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN. And for everyone who signs up through my link, they get 10% back on their fees. My subscribers only. Make sure to sign up through my link down below. My signals are $10 a month. Here's my weekly results from last week. Forex and crypto. You can pause the screen and take a look. I believe we went 7 wins, 3 losses with Forex, 3 wins, 0 losses with crypto. My signals are $10 a month. You can't beat it. Sign up to the Patreon, over 2,600 members. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.